guys, I'm gonna be unboxing wolf ring and tiger ring right here, my favorite.
How can you found that, man? You found this is so lucky, man. Like this is literally like the last
It's
one.
behind.
Yep.
Okay, it's opening up. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh, this is I gotta go here.
The tiger is nice, man. It's seriously nice, man. It's really nice. The wolf.
Oh, nah. Only the last.
Yeah. This is nice, right? This is really nice.
Pause it for a while. Pause it. We got this. But I wish it actually like. I was like, this is crazy.
So beautiful. Beautiful. A ram, right? A ram.
Yeah, this is the ram, bro. I love ram so much.
But do not go for the
Yeah.
the demon of ram.
Actually, I love all this. Gang, gang, gang. You know what I'm saying?
Animal rap,
Yeah.
animal gang. This one is nice.
Pause it for a while. Okay, you can continue.
Sure.
Oh, nice, nice. Look at this gang, 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 guys. Gang, gang. We are the gang right here, animal gang. I'm from Animal Kingdom. Everybody right here, let's go. We got ram, we got this like gecko, wolf, tiger, like
Chameleon.
this, yeah, chameleon, and this reindeer right here. Let's go, gang. Which one is the best? Comment down below, guys. Peace out.